So if anybody's interested in making a lead acid battery, like a homemade big one, really whatever size you want, this video may be of assistance. This is a mini waffle maker, which I made plates out of with the lead from old pretty much spent dead lead acid batteries. And I also took the positive and negative paste material off the plates, and added a few additives. I looked up some patents and added a little bit of bismuth trioxide to the negative plates and a little bit of conductive graphite. But so these are pretty thick. They're over about 120 grams, maybe a little over. The problem with every battery that I took apart, with the exception of some of the AGM and a couple of the deep cycle, what was wrong with almost every battery was the positive plates were spent. There's no more lead. They're just crumbling apart. And they pretty much have it down to a science. So they if it says 2-year warranty on it, if you use it every day, driving pretty much, within reason, it's going to last you a little over 2 years. And if you don't use it as much, but you keep it charging, it'll last a little bit longer. But basically, they've alloyed the lead with antimony and calcium. It's just you get pretty much you get no lead at all off the positive plates, even if they're not spent. It's just turns into dust. But off all the the terminals and the positive plate or the negative plates, you can get quite a bit of lead. It's kind of dirty, but so anyway, these are the plates. I just wanted to show before I got them all put together. These are the rest of the negative plates. The gray, I just put the gray paste on them, which is lead oxide or lead dioxide, whatever. I'm not exactly sure. There's like PbO2 or 3 or 4, or a combination of all that shit, whatever. But anyway, so these waffle makers, they also have the overflow, the little overflow section. That's how I did the bus bars or the connections. So I got 9 negatives and 8 positives in each cell. I got 2 more to make, and I'll do a follow-up video showing it in action. I've already put one of these cells to a motor, and it ran it really well for a really long time. But I have 4 of these made, and I'm going to use a 5-inch PVC or 5-inch conduit pipe to put them in. And better than explain it, I'm just going to show you when I'm done with it. So if you're interested, keep an eye out for the lead acid battery in action video coming up here in a few days. But so I'm trying to make them like they used to make batteries, where they lasted indefinitely. You may have to repurpose them, but the lead was thick, and the plates took forever to corrode. So I got the positive plates a little thicker than the negative, so that'll should hopefully never be an issue. No time soon anyway. But I'll have a little more information on the battery and show it in action in the next video. Thank you.